Step 1. Locate bars A, B, C, and D. They are the top and bottom crossbars of the frame. You can tell them apart by the connectors on each end of the crossbars. The connectors on the bottom crossbar are larger, as they're also used to connect the legs. Insert the center tube of crossbar A into crossbar C while pushing down the press fit plunger, and push the tube in until the plunger locks into place. Make sure the crossbar is fully extended, with both plungers locked into place. Use wing bolts to tighten the crossbar. Repeat for bars B and D. Step 2. Locate parts E and F. They are the legs and uprights. Apply the included adhesive pad to the bottom ends of each leg. Insert a leg into the bottom of an upright. Line up the bottom crossbar and insert a long star bolt through the upright and into the crossbar. Repeat on the other side. Step 3. Attach the top crossbar to the frame using the short star bolts. Step 4. Attach all the scrims together. You'll only have to do this the first time. Attach a ring to all 4 corners of the first scrim and continue until the pattern is complete. There are 5 scrims across and 4 scrims down. If you plan on making the backdrop 8 foot wide, then use only 16 of the included scrims, 4 across and 4 down. You can store the assembled scrim pattern in the included pouch. Step 5. Attach the scrim assembly to the top of the frame using 6 bungees. Holes evenly spaced around the frame indicate the location of the bungees, so that the scrims are evenly stretched. Step 6. Extend the uprights until the plungers lock into place and tighten the wing bolts. Once the frame is fully extended, continue attaching the scrims to the sides and to the bottom. Visit headliner-la.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new Headliner products.